Hello everyone, welcome to Arunachal Current Affairs. This video is compilation of monthly current affairs based on the daily news Arunachal Times. So let's start the video. Let's start with important days of August 2025. Day, date and theme. 1st August, World Wide Web Day. Theme is Empowering the Future, Building an Inclusive, Safe and Open Web. 6th August, Hiroshima Day. 7th August, National Handloom Day. Theme is Weaving the Future. 9th August, International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples. Theme is Indigenous Peoples and Artificial Intelligence, Defending Rights, Shaping Futures. 10th August, World Lion Day and World Biofuel Day. 12th August, International Youth Day. Theme is Local Youth Action for Sustainable Development Goals and Beyond. 15th August, Independence Day of India. Theme is Naya Bharat. 19th August, World Photography Day. Theme is My Favorite Photo. 29th August, National Sport Day. Theme is Sport to Promote Peaceful and Inclusive Societies. Let's move on to the news. Who has inaugurated the new building of Guwahati High Court Itanagar Permanent Bench? Correct answer is B.R. Gavai. Event: Inauguration of the new building of Guwahati High Court Itanagar Permanent Bench. Date: 10 August 2025. Chief Guest: Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai. Facilities: state-of-the-art building with 5 courtrooms and other amenities. Project cost: 135.35 crore. Executing agency: Public Work Department. Construction company: MS Ganapati Construction Company, Guwahati. Work start date: February 2021. Foundation laid by CM Pema Khandu in 2018 at Naharlagun. Current location: temporarily operating from UPIA. Last proceeding at UPIA 8 August 2025. First court session in new building is 11 August 2025 to be conducted by Justice Ashutosh Kumar. Which district improved its ranking in Sampurnata Abhiyan Samman Samaroh from 97 to 12 among the 112 aspirational districts in India? Correct answer is Namsai. Organizers: Planning and Investment Department and Niti Aayog. Objective of Sampurnata Abhiyan: ensure every citizen benefits from flagship government scheme and translate aspirations into measurable result. In which year was PM Kisan scheme launched? Correct answer is 2019. Type: flagship welfare scheme for farmers. Beneficiaries: eligible landholding farmers family across India. Annual benefit: 6,000 per family. Payment structure: 3 equal installment of 2,000 each per year. Mode of transfer: direct benefit transfer DBT into beneficiaries' bank account. Nearly 20 crore was transferred directly into the bank account of 99,797 farmers in Arunachal as part of the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi installment. Who recently summited Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa? Correct answer is Kabakiyano. Explanation: Kabakiyano reached the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania on 4th August, standing at 5,895 meters, 19,340 feet. Kilimanjaro is Africa's tallest peak, one of the 7 summits, and the highest freestanding mountain in the world. She also summited Mount Elbrus, the highest peak in Russia and Europe, dormant stratovolcano standing 18,510 feet above sea level. Which organization signed an Memorandum of Understanding with Arunachal State Rural Livelihood Mission for Project Appraisal under DDU GKY 2.0 Phase 2 in Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj. The ARSRLM sign a memorandum of understanding with NIRD and PR Hyderabad for the appraisal of project implementing agencies under the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kausalya Yojana 2.0 Phase 2 in Arunachal Pradesh. When did the special session of 8th Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly held to mark the conclusion of its Golden Jubilee celebration? Correct answer is 18 August. The special session of 8th Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly was held on 18 August to conclude the Golden Jubilee celebration, which began on 4th July. The assembly started in 1975 as a 33-member provisional assembly and later expanded to 60 members. Which renewable feedstock will be used in India's first private 2G ethanol plant in Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is bamboo. Panchayati Raj Minister Ojing Tasing announced that Arunachal Pradesh will set up India's first private 2G ethanol plant using bamboo as the renewable feedstock, marking a major step in the state clean energy transition. Who secured the first rank in Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Combined Competitive Examination 2024? Correct answer is Tenzin Zimba. Tenzin Zimba from Bomdila, West Kameng District topped the APPSCCE 2024 with 1312.75 marks. In which district was the awareness camp on semi-intensive mithun rearing and traditional LoRa system organized by TAMFWS held? Correct answer is Leparada. The Tani Ao Mithun Farmers Welfare Society, with technical support from NRCM Mejipema, Nagaland, organized the awareness camp in Leparada district. The camp focused on semi-intensive mithun rearing and LoRa system of temporarily confining mithuns within fenced areas during the agricultural season. The Tato 2 hydroelectric project will be constructed in which district of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is Siyomi. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by PM Narendra Modi, approved investment for Tato 2 hydroelectric project. Total investment 8,146.21 crore. Installed capacity 700 megawatt, 4 unit into 175 megawatt each. Estimated completion time 72 months, 6 years. Annual energy generation 2,738.06 million unit. Benefits: improved power supply in Arunachal Pradesh contributes to balancing the national power grid. The upcoming Maiden Northeast Aviation Summit in September 2025 will be hosted in which state? Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Minister Balo Raja, Civil Aviation Minister of Arunachal Pradesh. Nature of event: Northeastern Region Civil Aviation Ministers Conference cum 3rd Northeast Aviation Summit. Month September 2025. Purpose: to highlight new initiatives for the state aviation sector. Past host: 2023 it was hosted by Assam, and in 2024 it was hosted by Meghalaya. The Italian hydroelectric project is located in which district of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is Dibang Valley. Capacity 3097 megawatt. Location Dibang Valley district, Arunachal Pradesh. River involved Dri and Tangon Talo. Type run of the river project. Cost is 30,000, 37 and 36 crore. Implementing agency SJVN Limited. In which district of Arunachal Pradesh was a case of Japanese encephalitis recently confirmed? Correct answer is Longding. Japanese encephalitis is a viral brain infection caused by Japanese encephalitis virus, which is transmitted to humans through the bite of infected Culex mosquitoes. What is the name given to the under construction 51-foot statue of Lord Parasuram at Parasuram Kund in Lohit district? Correct answer is Statue of Strength. The newly inaugurated Pasang Wangchuk Sona ISRO Space Laboratory is located at. Correct answer is Government Higher Secondary School, Mechuka. In collaboration with ISRO and Muskan Foundation, objective: provide students with hands-on experience in space science and technology, fostering curiosity, innovation, and scientific thinking. When was the Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly established? Correct answer is 18 August 1975. The Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly began its proceeding on 18 August 1975. It started with 33 members. First Chief Minister P.K. Tunghon, First Speaker Nokme Namati, First Deputy Speaker Padi Yube. Since inception, the Assembly has held 137 sessions. This session covered 457 sitting days. The House has passed 273 important acts so far. Significance: mark 50 years 1975 to 2025 of legislative governance in Arunachal Pradesh. Who has been sworn in as the new chairperson of Arunachal Pradesh Lokayukta? Correct answer is Justice Prasanta Kumar Deka. The word Lokayukta comes from Sanskrit. Loka means people, Yukta means representative. In governance, Lokayukta refers to an anti-corruption ombudsman institution at the state level in India. It investigates complaints of corruption, maladministration, and misuse of power against public officials, ministers, and government servants. Where will Arunachal Pradesh first ever International Bamboo Convention be organized? Correct answer is Indonesia. Who recently announced the spice formula for strengthening Panchayat Raj institution in Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is Pema Khandu. Spice formula: sustainable, participatory, inclusive, comprehensive, and empowerment. Under this reform, the state government has dissolved all 29 subjects of the 11th schedule of the constitution to panchayats, giving them greater power to plan and implement development schemes at the grassroots level. The Indian Army Daud Division recently signed a memorandum of understanding with which telecom company to enhance mobile communication in Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is Bharti Airtel. Which village in Arunachal Pradesh was recently declared a tobacco-free village? Correct answer is Dharka. Dharka village in West Siang district, Arunachal Pradesh, has been declared a tobacco-free village under the National Tobacco Control Program. What is the name of pension reform initiative launched by the Arunachal Pradesh government to ensure transparent and speedy disbursement of retirement benefits? Correct answer is E-Bhavishya. According to the National Annual Report and Index of Women's Safety NARI 2025, which of the following cities has been ranked among the safest for women? Correct answer is Itanagar. As per the NARI 2025 report, Itanagar, Kohima, Visakhapatnam, Bhubaneswar, Aizawl, Gangtok, and Mumbai were ranked the safest cities for women, while Patna, Jaipur, Faridabad, Delhi, Kolkata, Srinagar, and Ranchi were among the lowest ranked. What is the new name of CM's Meritorious Sport Person Scholarship launched on National Sport Day in Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is Chief Minister's Athlete Coaching and Empowerment Scheme. On National Sport Day 2025, CM Pema Khandu distributed 2.49 crore in cash incentive to 411 sport persons and 72 coaches. On the same occasion, the CM Meritorious Sport Person Scholarship was renamed as the Chief Minister's Athlete Coaching and Empowerment Scheme to reflect its broader vision. Let's move on to games and sport. How many medals did Arunachal Pradesh Shinseikai Sito Ryu Karate Do Association win at the 9th International Karate Championship for Challengers Cup? Correct answer is 19. Venue: Netaji Indoor Stadium, Kolkata, West Bengal. End date: July 27, 2025. Team: Arunachal Pradesh Shinseikai Sito Ryu Karate Do Association. Medal tally: 7 gold, silver 2 and bronze 10. Which medal did Jivan Tara win at the 9th Asian Pancake Silat Championship 2025? Correct answer is bronze. First male athlete from Arunachal Pradesh to win a medal in the senior men's category in any Asian level championship across all sports. Who has been appointed as the goalkeeping coach of the India Under-23 national football team for the upcoming AFC Under-23 Asian Football Championship qualifiers? Correct answer is Gumpe Rime. Gumpe Rime from Arunachal Pradesh, scheduled from 1 to 9 September in Doha, Qatar. In which sport did 8 years old Goir Riba from Arunachal Pradesh win medal at the 8th Heroes Cup International Championship in Pattaya, Thailand? Correct answer is Taekwondo. Who is the only player from Arunachal Pradesh selected for the Northeast Zone squad in the Duleep Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer is Techi Doria. Duleep Trophy Quick Facts. Type: First Class Cricket Tournament in India. Organizer: BCCI. Purpose: Platform for top domestic player before national selection. 2025-2026 edition begins 28 August 2025 in Bengaluru. Who won the men's single title at the Lining 12 Dorji Khandu Memorial State Badminton Championship 2025? Correct answer is La Tukum. La Tukum won the men's single title while Pinky Karki won the women's single title at the championship. At which event did Neha Cherry from Arunachal Pradesh win a gold medal in August 2025? Correct answer is 4th Under-15 Sub-Junior Boys and Girl National Boxing Championship. Which school will represent Arunachal Pradesh in the girl category of 64 Subroto Mukherjee Cup Under-17? Correct answer is Government Higher Secondary School Nari. Government Higher Secondary School Nari from Lower Siang district will represent Arunachal Pradesh in the girls Under-17 category of the 64th Subroto Mukherjee Cup International Football Tournament in New Delhi. Where will the 36th East Zone Junior Athletics Championship be held? Correct answer is Ranchi, Jharkhand. 26 athletes will represent Arunachal Pradesh. 36 East Zone Junior Athletics Championship. Venue: Ranchi, Jharkhand. Who won a gold medal at the 57th Asian Bodybuilding and Physique Sport Championship 2025? Correct answer is Yajik Hilang. Held in Bangkok, Thailand, she secured the medal in the women model physiques up to 160 cm category. Who secured the third position in the Gangtok Loop 2.0 MTB XCM race 2025? Correct answer is Tajum Dere. Who won the state level Red Ribbon Quiz Competition 2025 organized by the Arunachal Pradesh State Aid Control Society? Correct answer is Purpa Yangzom and Kesang Drama. Purpa Yangzom and Kesang Drama of Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Kipti, Tawang clinched the top honor at the state level Red Ribbon Quiz Competition 2025. Let's move on to the miscellaneous. The scientific name of the leopard cat is? Correct answer is Prionellurus bengalensis. A leopard cat cub was recently spotted wandering along the road near Zhangzhungeten Bridge. Species info. Leopard cat is a small wild feline native to South and Southeast Asia. Legal status. Classified as a Schedule 1 species under the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972, highest legal protection. Who won the Best Tourism Destination Online Competition 2025? Correct answer is Lobsang Chopal. The event was held by the Arunachal Pradesh Tourism Department. Jetang Valley, located in Mago, Tawang district, known for its natural beauty. Floral highlight, famous for the bloom of primulas from July to late September. Cultural aspect, seasonal home to the Brokpas Dayak herding community. Who was honored with the Taburam Tate Literary Award 2025? Correct answer is Yeshe Dorji Tongchi. Renowned writer and Padma Shri awardee Yeshe Dorji Tongchi received the award. In which district of Arunachal Pradesh was the rare butterfly species Ludlos Bhutan glory recently sighted? Correct answer is West Kameng. The rare and globally endangered butterfly species, it belongs to the Papilionidae family and is listed as a Schedule 1 species under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, as well as an IUCN globally endangered species. Who among the following received the Gaj Gaurav Award in 2025 from Namdapha National Park? Correct answer is Sumit Gogoi and Ganesh Tamang. Awarding body, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Occasion, World Elephant Day celebration. Venue, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Date 12 August 2025. Thank you.